In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Big Cartel shop by changing the color palette. This is a great way to make your online store reflect your brand's style and personality. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is your control center, where you manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're there, take a look at the top of the page where you'll notice several options. Click on the one labeled Account. This is where you can access various settings and preferences for your shop. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the section titled Shop Design. This section is crucial because it's where you can customize how your store looks and feels to your customers. Right next to it, you'll see a button that says Go to Shop Designer. Click on that, and it will take you directly to the Shop Designer interface. Once you're in the Shop Designer, focus your attention on the top left corner. You'll see a tab called Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can find all your configuration options to tailor your shop's appearance. Among these settings, look for an option labeled Color Palette. When you find it, click on it. This is the exciting part where the real customization begins. Here, you'll see various color options for different elements of your store. These include the background, secondary background, primary text, and possibly more depending on your theme. Now you've reached the fun part, choosing your colors. Simply go through each category, backgrounds, text, and so on, and select the colors that best represent your brand. You can experiment with different hues to see what catches your eye and complements your overall design. Once you've made your selections, there's no need to worry about any complicated saving process. Your choices will be applied automatically, giving your store a fresh, new look in no time. And that's it. You've just personalized your shop's color palette, making it uniquely yours. If you want some tips while you're doing this, think about the kind of experience you want your customers to have when they visit your store. Do you want it to be vibrant and energizing, or calm and minimalist? Your color choices can say a lot about your brand, so have fun with it and make sure it represents who you are. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you give your Big Cartel shop a stylish twist. Feel free to reach out with any questions or if you need further assistance. Have a fantastic